Tired of throwing money into Google Ads and not knowing what's working? Let's fix it by setting up conversion tracking so you can finally see which ads are turning clicks into customers. Alright, first things first. Log into your Google Ads account then. Look for the Tools and Settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a wrench. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear under the Measurement section. You'll see Conversions. Click on Conversions to get started. Now you're on the Conversion Actions page. To create a new conversion, click the big blue plus button that says New Conversion Action. You'll now need to choose where your conversions are happening. Select Website, Apps, Phone Calls, or Import. In this example, let's choose Website. Google asks, what kind of conversions do you want to track? Select from a different goal that relates to you, anything from purchases to signups to lead. Next, it's time to configure your conversion settings. Enter a descriptive name for your conversion so you can easily identify it later. Define the value of each conversion for a purchase. This might be the revenue generated. Choose whether to count every conversion or just one per ad click based on your goal. Adjust the click-through conversion window to define how long after an ad click a conversion will be tracked. Now we are at the final step, setting up your tag. Select from the options given. Install the tag yourself, email instructions to a web developer, or use Google Tag Manager. Follow the instructions in Google Ads to implement the tag on your website. Once you've implemented the tag, give it some time to collect data. You'll see the status of your conversion action in the Conversions Actions page, and that's it. You've successfully set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. Now you can start optimizing your campaigns for better results.